training session we're going to do together today, and we will know more after the session.
Did the international break come at a good time for you, do you think? I mean, it was such a great win for you, a great atmosphere afterwards, but did you want to continue or did you like the break?
When you're in a good run, you want to continue, but it is what it is. We have used it in the right way. Obviously, we have a lot of players in duty, and connect everybody with the same mindset and go, because we're going to have a really difficult game against Chelsea.
Just looking back on that match, a quick handshake with Pep Guardiola, but I hear he gave...
It's one among of the difficult game, one among of the historical game. Chelsea Football Club versus Arsenal Football Club. The game ended into the shared point at Stamford Bridge. In fact, here he is the head coach of the Arsenal Football Club. Mikel Arteta says the game was too tough for both sides, but of course he is just satisfied with what his players did in the pitch, and in fact he is just going with them to the training ground, later to instruct them on the things that they have to be that they have to improve, and of course on the things that he thinks they have to be well, and in one way or another. He's just also speaking about the weakness of the finishing line, and of course Arsenal finishers were not incredibly fit in, of course, 38%, but he believes in winning the trophy this season. In fact, he wants to win the